Welcome to my class of mathematics. With me, your teacher, Mr. A+. Today we are looking at question number 16 in the same past paper. Okay. Question 16a. Find the integral of 3x cubed plus 4x dx. So the first thing, as usual, you need to understand the topic. So this is calculus, okay, which is found in grade 12, the last topic. And this integral you are seeing is representing the integration. So meaning whatever you are given here, you are supposed to integrate. So now pay attention so that I teach you how to integrate. Okay. So we are going to start. We write plus 4x. Okay. So how do we integrate? So the other name for integration is anti-differentiation. So this is just the opposite of differentiation. So when we talk of differentiation, that is the finding of a gradient in calculus. So we call it differentiation. So now let us see how we are going to integrate. So when integrating, the first thing that you are supposed to do or to know is that we integrate term by term. What do I mean? You first integrate this one, then you come to this one. That's how we integrate. Now, the other thing that you should know is the two basic operations that are involved, and that is division and addition. So when you are integrating, we just use two basic operations, division and addition. But when you are differentiating, it's multiplication and subtraction. Okay, so you should differentiate the two. So now here, that addition, where is it supposed to be applied? On the power part. Then division, you divide by the new power. Okay, so what I mean is, so like this one which we have here, we are going to say 3 will come the way it is, 3x, okay? Then the power there is 3. So now, for the sake of you fully understanding, I'm going to show here. You say 3, then plus 1. So this one is constant. Always, you have to be adding 1 to whatever power you are given. Then this new power is the one that you are going to divide by the old term that you have. So you say 3 plus 1. Okay? You are done. Then we go to the next one. Plus 4, you write for the coefficient the way it is, then you come to even the variable, then you consider the power. So what is the power of this x? The power is 1. It is just invisible. You can't write x power 1. No. Instead, you just leave it like that. So that simply means the power there is 1. So this x is raised to power 1. So that's what happens even on this one. That's what happened. So here we are going to say 1, then plus the 1 which is constant. So we'll say over 1 plus 1. The same power is the one that you are going to divide by. The new power after you have added the 1. Okay. Then plus c. Why am I adding c there? It's because this is indefinite integral. Okay. Simply means you are not given the what? The limits. Okay. Therefore, when integrating, you have to make sure that you add the arbitrary constant, which is c in this case. So we have the arbitrary constant, which is c. Once you leave out this one, when you are given indefinite integral like the one that you have, that is totally wrong. You have to follow this simple instruction that I'm trying to give you. Then from there, you now simplify what you have. So 3x, 3 plus 1, you are going to have 4 over 3 plus 1 is 4. Then plus, here again you say 4x, 2 plus 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. Then over 1 plus 1, 2. Then plus what? C. Okay. Then from there again, this one, there's nothing you can do. So it will just come back like the way it is. then power 4, then plus, here these two can go into 4x squared because this is actually the common one. We say 2 into 4 is what? Without a remainder, it will give us 2. So x will still remain x squared plus c. Hence the answer. Meaning you have integrated. Okay. This is the answer, the final answer in paper 1. So this is how we integrate. Thank you so very much for paying attention. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Pedagogy Learning with Mr. A+ Zambia. You need to complete like that if you are searching. Then you'll be able to find me. Then subscribe for more educative and exclusive videos that will really help you to succeed in life academically. Then the other platform, you can also find me on a Facebook page. The name is Mr. A+. Okay, online lessons. And I'm also found on TikTok with the same name. Thank you so much for now. See you in the next class.